So what we found by looking at this extreme heat, particularly over Iceland, but we also looked over parts of Greenland, that it was an absolute record-breaking event. So it was much hotter than May has ever been in Iceland. At least so the sort of it was the hottest 1 week that Iceland has ever had in May. We found that even in today's climate, that is still a relatively rare event. So expected about once in 100 years, which obviously doesn't mean it happens every 100 years, but in any given year, there's a 1% chance of such an event happening. But without human-induced climate change, such an event would have been basically impossible to occur. Arctic amplification simply means that the further away from the equator you go, the stronger temperatures from climate change increase, and so that's why we see around the Arctic Circle we see that temperature has increased not by 1.3 degrees as it has on a global average, but more by something like 3 or 4 degrees. With this study, it is super obvious, as you've said, with the melting of the Greenland ice sheet, the potential impacts on the global ocean circulation, that basically is an extreme event that affects the whole world, even though most of the people on this planet won't have heard of this heat wave.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.